Hi guys, welcome to my channel Krika. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of Good Vibes Rosehip Face Serum. So coming to the packaging guys, we get it in a white cardboard box on which they have mentioned like the description of the product, how to use and ingredient list and everything. And also coming to the price of this product, we get it for 225 rupees and we will be getting 10 ml of product. We have different sizes, so this is the smallest size of all. So coming to the inner packaging guys, we get this a serum in a blue colored glass bottle with a normal screw cap, as well as it is a partition in between, so there is no need to feel that you are going to get a leaked product or something like that. And then they have even provided a dropper. So once I start using this, I just throw those caps and I just keep this a dropper so that it's easy to use. So coming to the texture of this product, it has medium consistency. It's not too watery or too thick, it's in medium like consistency. And coming to the color of the product guys, it's a transparent in color. And smell, the smell is really mild. It has a mild rose fragrance to it, which is so good and so gentle on the skin. So even if you have sensitive skin, there is no need to worry that the fragrance is gonna make your skin irritated or something like that, because this product is really mild on the skin. So coming to my personal experience guys, I apply it at night time because I have oily skin. So when I applied it at morning, it just made my skin oily, so because of which I'm just applying it at night time. And after I apply, I just take 2 to 3 drops, that's it, not more than that, because it's sort of heavy on oily skin types. So I'm just taking 3 drops and then I'm massaging it into my skin. It just gets absorbed into the skin really, not quickly but easily. So once we massage it, it just gives a lot of glow, intense glow to the skin, which is so good. But if you have oily skin, you hate that glow. So generally it just provides a good glow. And once it gets absorbed into my skin, I just apply tea tree gel from the same company, and that's it. That's my that is my nighttime skincare routine. So once I woke up, I just see that my skin is so soft, smooth, and it's really glowy. It just gives that brightness to that skin guys. I don't know how it does, but it just enhances the skin's health condition and everything. So it's really good. So this is my personal experience. Now let's go into the pros and cons of this product guys. So coming to the first pro, it's easily available. Second is we get it in different sizes, so you can buy a smaller size first, see if it's working on your skin or not, and then go with the bigger sizes and do a patch test guys. Don't forget to do the patch test. Even though it contains all natural ingredients, even natural ingredients might be harmful to our skin, so it might bring some side effects. So please do patch test before using this product. And the third pro is there are no parabens, no alcohol in this product. Fourth pro is it's cruelty free product. And the fifth one is they gave dropper with this serum, which is good. I mean, it's a hygienic application. And coming to the sixth guys, I have mentioned the complete ingredient list, which is a good thing. And coming to the seventh pro, it's easy application, and also it gets absorbed easily into the skin. And eighth is if you have extremely dry to dry skin, you will love this product because it gives that intense moisturization to the skin. Ninth pro is it's just making, I mean, whatever it is claiming it is doing on the skin guys. I have seen a lot of difference in my skin after using this serum. So it really makes our skin so soft. You just use it once and you can know what I'm talking about. It just makes, even when I'm applying it with my hands, even my hands are becoming so soft after using this product. So that is thing with this serum. And coming to the cons guys, if you have oily or extremely oily skin, I think it's best to skip in summer season because it just makes our skin look somewhat oily, because I have oily skin and it just made my skin somewhat oily. It didn't control my oils, it just produced more oils. So if you have oily skin, I think it's best to skip in summers, but in the other seasons it's good. I started using it from May and now it's July and it's okay on my skin. Now it's working really well, but in summers I used to skip this one because it made my skin so oily. So this is the only con I got from this product. So yes, that's all for today's video. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye, sunshines.